No more rotoscoping or keying out footage. Veed Background Remover makes backgrounds vanish in seconds. Add it to your tool stack now and expedite your pipelines. Here's a guide on how to use this. Drag out a video node from the original video. Set it to Veed Background Remover. Select the subject type depending on whether it's a person or an object. Choose whether to make the background transparent or not. Once it finishes generating, you have multiple options to download. Original gives you a WebM file that contains the alpha channel data, which will make the background transparent. Right-click on the file and open with Chrome. Open the Inspector tab in Browser and apply a background color in the element.style block. You'll see the background color changing if the footage has a transparent background. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.